Hi, I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and in this segment I'm going to show you how to stop your floor from squeaking underneath your carpet. So once you find the squeak on your subfloor, the next step is to find the joist. The joist is the framing below your subfloor that actually holds the floor up. What you want to do is you want to screw your subfloor back to that joist. That's going to stop the squeaking. The reason it's squeaking in the first place is because it's been nailed down and the floor is pulling away from the joist while the nail is still in the joist. When it does that, the flooring actually rubs against the nail, creating your squeaking noise. So what you want to do is you want to push that floor back down tight to your joist. Your joists run 12 inches on center, meaning that they're 12 inches apart, center to center, all the way through your house. Your joists are on any sort of subfloor. Any floor that you walk on have joists below them. So once you've found your squeak and the joist that needs to be screwed down to, you take your scored screw, your claw, and your driver, and you go to that point. Put your claw over the squeak where the joist is. Drive your scored screw down into the joist through the floor. Once this is done, you'll break the head off the screw, and as long as the squeak is gone, you're done.